Exactly, Amita. This is very strict instructions from the Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh that no such relaxation would be given to any kind of religious activity, especially for the Ramzan, and neither any DC nor any other official will be allowed to issue the special passes for the Ramzan. And even beyond this 20th of April, no such relaxation in the Punjab is allowed. This is the strict instructions from the Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh. But meanwhile, they have also allowed the sand mining in the state. There are certain people who are allowed to issue the passes for the sand mining. Sand mining is one of the revenue generating source of the state, so they are allowed in a limited areas, and even the MSMEs are also getting the relaxation. Right now, if I show you the visuals of the Himalayan Express, I'm standing in Panchkula, that Himalayan Express National Highway number 5. This road leads to the Shimla. This is also called the Shimla Highway, and toll is all operational. You can see the cars are standing on the toll lanes. These all cars and people are involved in such kind of essential services, and only then they are allowed to come and enter in the state. This is the one of the entry points of the Haryana from the side of Himachal Pradesh. The people who are crossing these toll barriers, they are coming.
All right, we have a breaking development. Amandeep, I'll just come back to you, Pooja. When it comes to the state of Kerala and a lot of progress that has been made to tackle COVID crisis, where the numbers now being reduced to 2 digits or even single digits to the number of cases that are being reported, certain relaxations have been announced, but the MHA is not very happy with the Kerala government, saying when it comes to non-essential items, they will not be diluted when it comes to the guidelines that have been announced by the government. What more can you tell us?
Well, yes, just yesterday the announcement came that especially in districts like Idukki and Kottayam, where not a single active case of coronavirus is present, commercial establishments will be allowed to function. In fact, the guidelines from Kerala government went on to say that starting Tuesday, even restaurants and textile shops and other commercial activities can resume. In certain other districts like Munnar, plantation work, quarry work is also being allowed. All of this, of course, within the framework of maintaining social distancing and also keeping in mind other norms that have been stipulated. But this in itself is a violation of the guidelines that has been given by the MHA, because of which the government of India has written to the Kerala government, which goes on to say, and this is a letter that was written on the 17th, and it goes on to say that opening of such activities are prohibited in the order that dated 15th, which is when the guidelines were given, and such additional activities allowed by GO Kerala, which includes opening of local workshops, barbershops, restaurants, bookstores, bus travel in the cities and town for shorter distance could be a violation. So now there will have to be reviewed, revised guidelines that Kerala government will have to come out with, because they had allowed for a large number of establishments.
Yes, and that was mentioned very clearly in those guidelines that was released on the part of the government side a day after Prime Minister's address, that when it comes to these guidelines that have been given out by the government, there will be no dilution whatsoever by the state or the union territory governments. We are looking at the Kerala government already announcing more than required relaxation in different parts of the state, as they are COVID-free right now. This has not been taken well by the government itself. Thanks very much to all our reporters joining in. We'll come back to you with more updates. Thank you very much for the moment.